Hi everyone, I'm Arica Rust, and I just got my new Contour XO in-ear monitors in the mail today or yesterday, and we're here to open them up together. You know, I'm super excited about this project because it's a collaboration between L-Acoustics and JH Audio, which are two of the biggest names in live sound and pioneers of the industry, both for in-ear monitors and for loudspeaker systems. So, being at home during this time, I've been looking for a way to have that same experience that we have when we go to a concert, but like in our home environment, in the listening environment. So super stoked to try these out. You guys are going to be the first ones, I should say you folks, are going to be the first to check these out with me. So just got this package. Ooh, it comes in this really nice black box here, all sealed and ready to go. Which is nice, because it means it's tamper-proof, right? Because it's still sealed. The box has got like that nice matte finish on the front. And let's see. Put this guy down. Ew. And I have a little pamphlet here that talks about the Contour XO and how to insert them. Little information here, that's always helpful. And then here on the inside we got the classic black metal box that the in-ears come in. It's held in very securely with this nice foam here, which is cool because if it's rattling around in the mail system, it's protected by this hard foam. Got a little more swag stickers. And then here so it's got that nice hard metal shell you can see that has the L-Acoustics creations and the Jerry Harvey audio symbol on the front. And here we go. So I got the custom in-ear monitors, or custom fit I should say, because I have unique shaped ears. So they come in two different formats. You can get a custom fit if you order directly through Jerry Harvey on the website, and then they also have a universal fit too. Both are available on the L-Acoustics e-store. And so I got the custom fit. And here we have, wow, the really nice quality sort of chain link cable, if you can see that. It's a nice quality cable, so it doesn't have that, that effect that headphones do with the curly cable that ends up getting tangled and everything. It's got the nice adjuster here for when you put it around the back of your head. Yep. And then it comes with that's just a thing for packaging. But yeah, so mine here come in my little custom molds it's got the gold L-Acoustics symbol on here. And yeah, it's crazy. I don't know how they fit there's 4 low frequency drivers, 2 mid frequency drivers, and then 4 high frequency drivers in this thing. So yeah, looks the plastic is a nice mold. Looks very sturdy and everything. Ooh, they even put my initials on the in-ear monitor too, so it says AR. Cool. Well, I'm really excited to try these out. So and see how they sound.